Pierre de Coubertin began the rival of the game. Pierre is now known as Le Revenateur after examining the education of the German, British, and American child. So, approximately 1500 years before, a young man whose name was Pierre de Coubertin started the rival of the games. He started just protesting against these games. Pierre is now known as Le Renovateur. So, after examining the education of the German, British, and American children, he decided that it was sports that made a well rounded and vigorous person. Here is a record of one of Pierre's decorations from the modern Olympics. So read out it by yourself. Get to the next para. After repeated times to inspire the leaders of other countries, Pierre finally revived the Olympics. So Pierre just gave his 100% to just get all the games back. He started just inspiring the leaders of other countries so that the Olympic Games might started. They found a committee called the International Olympic Committee, and Demetrius Vakalis was chosen to lead the first modern Olympics in Greece, his home country. So Pierre was the man who just gave his 100%, who did his utmost to just get all the games back. He just inspired all the leaders of other countries so that the game must came into force again. Victory ceremonies. So get to the next part. That is victory ceremonies. The Olympic victor received his first award immediately after the competition following the announcement of the winner's name by the herald. There is no need to explain this, just read it out by yourself. A heraldry Greek would place a palm branch in his hand while the spectators cheered and threw flowers to him. Red ribbons were tied on his head and hand as a mark of victory. So in this para we have been told the victory ceremony. The Olympic victory received his first award. So the Olympic victor received his first award immediately after the competition. So in this award, they are just going. They just got the award just after the competition. In this competition, the winner's name was Herald. So in this competition, the name of the winner was announced as Herald, who was just having the red ribbon tied on his hand and mark of a victory. That is the mark of victory. The official award ceremony would take place on the last day of the games at the 11th vestibule of Temple of Zeus. In a loud voice, the herald would announce the name of the Olympic winners, his father's name, and his homeland. Then the hierarchists place the sacred olive tree's wreath of Cotinos on the winner's head. So this is a para that is just written in simple language, and if you read it you can just explain it by yourself. So do it yourself. Modern Olympics. In 1893, the modern Olympics ignite the Olympic torch, which has now been burning for over 150 years. Olympics torch that was just that has been just burning for over 115 years. At this game, only 14 nations attended the event, included swimming, tennis, cycling, shooting, weightlifting, fencing, gymnastic, wrestling, and track and field. Gymnastic, wrestling, and track and field. So these are the games which were just included in over the last 160 years. The Olympics have evolved into 302 events in 26 sports and 204 countries that participate. So now Olympics has completed its 160 years. The Olympics has revolved into 302 events in 26 sports and 204 countries that participate. So all this in chapter. There was nothing to just explain this chapter. There is a chapter based on the story. So read it by yourself and take all the information from the internet about Olympics. Thank you.